Hello class 4th, welcome back in online class 4th. Today we will start our new chapter 12, time, page number 178. In this chapter we will learn about how many hours in a day, how can we change hours into AM or PM, what is the time according to AM and PM. Okay, first we will learn how can we read time to the exact minute. Children, as you know, most clock and watches have an hour hand and minute hand, but some have a second hand also. When the minute hand is on 1, it shows 5 minutes past the hour. When the minute hand is on 2, it means 10 minutes past. Children, on the clock there is a table of 5 is going on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Minute hand of a clock moves from one number to the next number in 5 minutes. So in other words, we can say that two numbers is divided into 5 equal parts. These are divided into 5 equal parts and each part is 1 minute. These are the parts which are divided, two numbers into 5 parts, and every part shows 1 minute. Okay, so you can say that the minute hand of a clock moves from one small division to the next in the 1 minute. Okay, when minute hand complete one round on clock, it means 1 hour passed, because it is your hour hand. If it will be on 6 and after 1 hour, when minute hand completes its one round, it come on 7, it means it is your 7 o'clock. Now in this clock it is your 6 o'clock, because minute hand is on 12. 12 fives are 60 and 61 minute 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, so it is your 6 o'clock. Children, as you know, a day has 24 hours, and when the hour hand of a clock goes around the clock once, it means when it completes one round, 12 hours will have passed. Okay, the clock shows 9. It may be 9. It is in the morning or in the evening, we can judge. Students, AM or PM, after the time tells us whether it is morning or evening. Already we have done in the class. A new day begins at 12 o'clock midnight and ends at 12 o'clock the next midnight. It means 12 hours of AM and 12 hours of PM. Then they complete the one day. You can use AM, anti-meridium, for the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon. The day starts from the 12 midnight. Okay, the new day. And you can use PM, post meridium, for the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight. It means our 24 hours divided into two parts, AM, PM. AM means 12 midnight to 12 noon. PM means 12 noon to 12 midnight. So you can write AM for 12 noon or PM at 12 midnight. Now we are having exercise 12.1. There are questions. Few questions I will do and rest of the parts will be your homework. This work you will do in your fair notebook. You will complete your exercise 12.1 in your notebook. Okay, let's start. First question is, write the time using AM or PM. Students, in this question nobody will write the answer in hours and minutes. In the question we are asking about the time you have to use AM or PM. 5:25 in the morning. It is between 12 midnight to 12 noon, because in the morning the day starts from the 12 midnight. Okay, so it is your AM. In the morning we will use AM. 12:30 at night. 12 midnight, 12:30 at night, it means that is your PM, because 12 hours has gone off AM and you are using only 30 minutes of your PM, but the timing is at night 12:30 at night. PM or AM, there is a confusion. At night, it means it is your AM. Why? Because after 12:30 we are going in AM. If it will be 12:30 at noon, then we will write here PM. Okay, so 5:25 in the morning AM, 12:30 at night, it is your also AM, it is not your PM. Clear? Write the time 1 hour before. When we have to write the time before, we will do subtraction 1 hour from the hours. That is your minutes and that is your hour. Now you are writing the time 1 hour before, but again you will write down the answer AM or PM. -1. We cannot change in the minutes, we will do only 1 hour, subtract from the hours. 7 minus 1, 6, it is your 6:30 AM. Okay, now 12:30 PM, it means it is your noon time. When we do -12, 11:30, now it is your AM, because we have used only 30 minutes of our noon time. Okay, when we do -1, it is your 11:30, but it is your 11:30 AM. Okay, now 1 AM. Before 1 hour, it is your 12 PM. Okay, that is your 12 PM. Now write the time 1 hour after. In the after, we will do plus. Where you will plus? In these minutes you will not do any change. 1 hour after, it means you will do +1 to 2 PM. There will be no change in the PM, because we are going in PM and we are coming back in PM. After 1 hour, again we will do +1, 7. Again we are going in AM and we are coming back in AM. Now 9:30 PM. Again we will do subtraction from R, that is your 8:30 PM. When we are going in PM and we are coming back in PM, so there will be no change, but in this question we are going in AM and coming back in PM, or we are going in AM or coming back in PM, whatever. So please complete your all 3 sums of exercise 12.1 in your fair notebook. Okay, have a nice day.